My dad is here, working on my bathroom. It's very good. When is the new physics coming out? When it's done. Which it is done. But the update needs a database to go with it. If you look, actually, you don't need to look very hard. To see at the top of the screen. Oh, you can't see at the top of the screen. It says not connected to the database. So once the database is all figured out. Oh my god, glitching. How did I fix it last time? How about that? Is that better? What are you gonna do about the player count? Will you do anything to make the what is bhop? Will you do anything to make the player count go up? Um. I'm thinking about making an interactive tutorial at some point, but that's not the most important item on my list right now. That might help with people knowing what to do in the game, and might help people keep playing. Maybe people would stay more. And also matchmaking is another thing where when you join the game, it will try to put you in a server with a map that it thinks will challenge you, or it thinks you can improve your time on. So that when you join the game, you feel like playing because the map is fun, or like you can beat your time by a lot. And instead of like just completely random, you know. So those would be my ideas that I have for. Is this really loud? It's not. Strong. Oh, it's because my audio is turned up. Yeah, those are my ideas for improving audience retention. But right now I'm working on core gameplay and core game. Or rather, that's what I've been working on for the past year, and that's more or less what I've done now. I can... are you referring to the stream title when you asked, like, what am I going to do about the player count? Like, looking for things to do? It's a good discussion. Is that a yummy banana? You see the brown dots on it? That means it has more sugar. So yes, it is sweet banana. The game is dead. It only has 200 players average. That describes the game from the beginning. Did you know that Roblox Surf is more popular than like Gary's Mod Surf? All of the servers combined. There's more people playing my game than all of the Gary's Mod games. Is that true for Counter-Strike as well? I don't remember if CS:GO Surf is more popular. I feel like you could get a lot more people playing. I don't really think so without teaching them how to play. The game isn't really for everyone. It's not like a everyone will love this game. There's a little something for everyone. It's just not that type of game. Maybe Death Run is a bit more like that, where it's easy to pick up because you just walk. There's no skilled movement that requires like hours of practice to even begin doing it right. So about the dead game, the game has been dead from the start. From the moment I made the game, it was a dead game. B-Hop and Surf died years before I ever made the game. So my whole wave is the remnants of the B-Hop and Surf fad, which was like what, 2006 or something. When was it really popular? So you can't kill what's already dead. The game feels inaccessible. Oh, that's also partly due to my game design. People are sat there feeling, wouldn't it be nice if there was a way to restart the beginning of the map? And then someone tells them, type in the /R command to restart. Oh, okay. Well, okay. What if I could change my mouse sensitivity? I guess I could just do that through Roblox. But like, you get what I mean? Where like, there's no way to discover how to use commands in the game and stuff. There's no way to learn how to play the game other than to play it and ask questions, and then the people in the game answer the questions. It's all word of mouth. So a menu system would also be a good way to make the game more accessible. Okay, let's see. What I want to look at is the double jump bug, because that is probably the last one that I need to fix before I can say that the Roblox server is ready to publish. And there's nothing that I would go, oh, actually, I want to fix this first. So this is the last thing. Game mechanics. Double jump. If you already, here's my notes. If you have already hit the part in the tick, you have to be moving towards it to activate jump again. Okay, so it's a debounce that only activates if you're moving towards it when you, so if you have never hit the part before, you can jump on it even if you're moving away from it in the same tick, you can do that. But if you already have jumped on it, as in like you're sliding up you're jumping up a surface really fast, like this, I'll show you. Let me show you. Oh my god, that's really bad. That is not supposed to happen. Like that? You hear that? So I can jump on the same part multiple times in the same tick, and it can get worse too. You can go. Oh. Is it crazy? I started b-hopping and surfing at 7. That is pretty crazy. B-hop and surfer ingrained into your brain. Did you fix anti-cheat zones? You never showed me how to reproduce the update, or releasing update soon. I read that. You never showed me how to reproduce your bug. You have to show me how to make the bug happen if you want me to fix the bug. It has to be reproducible. Jump. Jump allowed. Wow. Okay. Okay. Who is jump debounce? Jump debounce is true. Should I make it a part? Wow. Will there ever be multiple parts? Is there ever a case where you can jump on multiple parts multiple times in one tick and it's an infinite loop? Okay, if the parts are intersecting and you are inside the parts and you're trying to jump, that could be an infinite loop. Do I really need a jump debounce hash? That's cringe. I mean, I can do that. Oh. Standing collision part. What do you mean last physics event? What do you mean last physics event? What is this? Oh. Oh, that's funky. Okay. So, what does that mean? That means that the jump doesn't actually know what part you're jumping on. Okay, so I should probably pass. Okay, where is standing collision? I should probably pass what it's trying to jump on into the jump calculation. No. Where's the other one? Ladder collision. Okay, it's just. That's so easy. I love this modular code. There's like in the old physics, there's like 700 different places where you jump, but in this code, you jump off the ground, you jump off ladders. That's it. So ladder collision. Okay, and then jump. Oh, I don't need to do this. Jump. Debounce. Wow. Instead of doing this, I clear a table, which is annoying, but okay. How do I check this? Jump debounce info. This is an OR statement. So I can check this one first instead of yeah, I think I'll do that. I love instrumental music like this. It's so nice when they're not just like talking at you. Part. Wow. Wow. Okay. So jump is allowed if either there's no debounce on the part, or you are moving towards the part. Oh, and you can escape. Right. That was the condition. What is this one? This one is if there is a last physics event and it's not the end of a tick. Oh, so this is basically scroll saying you're not allowed to jump if some sort of condition. Okay, so okay, I guess the question becomes, is it going to be inside of this or statement, or is it going to be part of this thingamabob? Okay, so if the collision info part has already been jumped on, oh my god, need more banana. Put public maps on a timer. Gets tiring seeing the same maps on the server list on a daily basis. Well, the problem is that those are the maps that people choose. If you want to play different maps, I recommend getting a private server. Of course I do, right? It's money for me. It's kind of like it's kind of meant to be like that, right? Where you can't really control the which maps people make progression perfectly, completing the maps you want to complete, unless you get a VIP server, a private server. The game is kind of made like that on purpose. So it's technically possible if you can get the whole server to change maps all the time, but it's easier just to get a private server. Okay, so if there is a part, that's not the entire thing. How do I... Okay, what else do I know about this collision? Oh, I have rel velocity right here. Wait, am I not using it? Lol. I'm only using it for this. So it looks like I used to be using this for seeing if you're going towards the part. Oh, that's an interesting smell. Okay, what am I trying to do? I'm trying to jump is not allowed if you have already jumped on the part and you are moving away from it. So you can't jump on something and then jump on it again. But if you jump on something that's a slope, like jump, you're allowed to jump on it multiple times in the same tick if you're moving towards it. Oh, actually that's not possible because the physics are... Wow. Okay, and you are capable of escaping the surface by jumping. Why don't map test bots work in Discord? What? Working fine. You're using it wrong. They just give an error. Application did not respond. I don't see that. Oh. Is it hidden? That's 5-man's bot. I didn't make the bot. So talk to 5-man. Wow. General's amazing. Banana complete. What? I'm wondering, should I calculate this in jump allowed? Should I like pass all the variables that are, isn't it? Yeah. I probably should. Okay. Yeah, I need to know the part, the velocity, and that's it. So oh, look at that. It's already there. Wait, what is this? Ooh. Okay. This, I did not realize this code was like this. Why doesn't this pass the normal? Because it's a jump event. Wait, what? Wait, this... Why does this one... Oh... I see. So this one jumps off the ladder, whereas this one always jumps straight up. Gotcha. All right, part a relative velocity. So there we go. So now I have this information, and that's all that I need. You didn't eat the banana peel. That's true. Okay. Jump allowed. Jump allowed. Whoa. So I have part rail velocity. How did it know? Okay. So where's the jumping? Jump. Is it below? My arm hurt. There it is. Yeah, it's right below. Okay, so there is no such thing. Okay, so if the part has been jumped on before, you're only allowed to jump if you're moving towards it. And you can escape the jump. Because otherwise it'll just immediately make 7 million jump events. And exit. So this is not. So if the part, you've already jumped on it, and you're not moving away, then you're not allowed to jump. Already jumped. And can't already jumped and can't escape. So already jumped and can't escape, or moving away. Ah, I need the normal. Wait, rail velocity. Wait.
Yeah, no, I need the normal. I need the normal. I need the normal. Please tell me the normal.
Okay, so I'm gonna need the collision info after all. Can't escape. What does that mean? That means that if I that means that the velocity after this equation, what is this? This is a activated booster. I don't care about activated boosters, right? Should I turn this into a function? So there's real jumping, and then there is mock jumping. So this is like activating a real jumping with jump count limit and everything. But what I want to do is say, what would your velocity be if you jumped? And are you still heading towards the part? Or have you escaped its influence? Why is it so complicated? Okay, it shouldn't be that hard. Alright, so what I want is function get jump velocity. Get jumped velocity. Like this basically. And then it goes like this and like this. And like this. And then it also tells you if there should be a jump sound. Wow. Yes, so I put this code into the other code. Construction. How much Robux do you make? An amount greater than 0. It sounds like a lot in Robux, but it's just enough to live on. Or actually, it's just not enough. That's why I'm working on the game, so I can make a little bit more. Okay, so this... So... Who uses this? Only this guy, okay. Okay, it's always existing when that is existing. Ah. Okay, so now I have a special function that will tell you what your velocity will be after you jump. Gotta go see you later. Okay, goodbye. I stream again on Thursday, so see you then. What's up, Smithy boy? Okay, so I need this get jumped velocity function at the top here. So can't escape or moving away. What does that mean? Okay, so I'm going to switch the order of these. So how do you tell if you're moving away? You need the normal. I have a question or a tip. Okay, if rel velocity dot product with collision normal. I guess I could just pass the part and normal. No need to go as far as collision info. Oh, I don't have physics here. Making a game, and I need help. Well, this is a work stream, so I'm working right now. This is moving away. So it's going towards the normal. Can't escape means that I actually can't do this. Dang. I mean, I can just set it to up. Issue, I don't know the relative velocity after the jump. So this is an interesting consequence. If I make this properly, then it will not let you jump if you're not able to jump. Which is nice, because that would cause an infinite loop. So I have to design this carefully. Because it's good design. Jump trying. Oh. Oh, there is no part. Oh. So jump to bounce is now a scroll only tool. Thank you for clearing that up for me. Okay. Wow. Okay. Am late. What do you mean am late? There's no late to a stream. It's a live stream. You arrive when you arrive. There's always the VOD. It's just completely accessible, except when you're in the past. You can't see it if it's in the future. That's so unfortunate. Does this know? It knows the implicit velocity. This is getting out of hand. So part normal up, so part velocity normal up around. Woo! Do I change the fizz here? Yeah, it's easier to go that way. Okay. Okay, well that's the info I need. So let's go to the definition. Physics. All right, part velocity, part normal, jump normal. I think can't escape should be outside this brackets. Because, like, if you can't escape, there's no reason to jump. Alright, so it's the same calculation. So if you are not moving away, this is less than or equals 0, whatever. Should probably just be less than. But like if it's 0, then you're not gonna escape. So. So I think I include 0. Okay. That's an advanced calculation. Okay, so this is must be able to escape the part surface to be allowed to jump. Sick. Okay. Now we're doing the advanced calculations. Yeah. It'd be nice to reuse this, because, like, that's a lot of calculations to do. Okay, well, maybe this will fix the double jump bug. Man, I really check if you're allowed to jump before you're checking if you're trying to jump. Does that even make sense? I guess it does because of the scroll mechanics. Wait, what if there's no part? There didn't used to be any part information on this. Where was that? Interesting. I've completely changed that code. Okay. So there's always a part then. So just double normal. Part velocity, we gotta snag that. I should just cache it. Yeah, that would be a good way to do it. It doesn't actually need the relative velocity here. Apparently I don't even need to do this. I can just inline it. Okay. Well, that was quite a bit of intricate changes there. Ooh. Let's see what kind of bugs I just made. I might have made a whole bunch of jumping bugs. Game? Did someone just freeze the game? Oh. Why would it do that? Okay, whatever. Let's see the bugs. Oh, it actually jumped on the first try. Okay, let's see what happens. Wow. I'm so good at making intricate code changes. I guess I've done it so often for an entire year. Uh-huh. Did I fix the thing? Oh, it's an error. Attempt to form arithmetic on nil and vector 3, 714. Nil and vector 3. Oh. Maybe I just make a new function jump possible. So this way I can just pass rel velocity here. Ugh. Okay. Okay, so if you don't jump, what does that mean? It means What does it mean? The J is the velocity relative to the normal. So this is measuring the relative velocity in the direction of the jumping normal. If it is less powerful than the jump velocity, then we make it as powerful as the jump velocity. Otherwise, if it is a booster, then activate the booster. Otherwise, okay, so this is just the current relative velocity. What does this mean? Less than JV? What? Shouldn't it always be less than JV? No, I see. So you're going up the slope, and you have more upwards velocity than is possible with a jump. So you're already moving towards the jump direction faster than a jump makes you jump. So it means I just don't like lyrics. Alright. So you must have a jump velocity maybe I just go like this. I don't know. So I need all this information. So I can now take out the jump normal and change this to rel velocity. And then this is nothing. It's nothing. Okay, this is part velocity, part normal, and jump normal. So this is game mechanics. Game mechanics. Yes. It's simply not possible. Whatever. I can just like reuse it in the function. It's fine. Ew. Okay. Okay, so now, yeah. Okay. Game mechanics. Part. What are the arguments again? Part. Normal. And rel velocity, right? And then I love autofill, man. Alright, jump normal is uppity up. Part normal is normal. Part velocity is part velocity. Amazing. Very pog. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, so this has got to go back. Part normal rel velocity. Yes. Okay, and then this one is the same as this, except it's completely different. It is in the direction of the normal. We also have these variables, whatever that means. You're not trying to jump. Sorry, I see it. I saw your comment. I just didn't say anything. That was rude. Hi. Okay. That should be the edits. Ooh, except for that. Part normal rel velocity, right? Jump allowed. Part normal rel velocity. Okay. That should be the latest. It never published. Oh, it did publish. You're on the grind. I'm on that grind. I'm fixing an intricate physics bug with my intricate physics knowledge. It's kind of a bug. It's a bug. It's an unintended. Oh, I can't jump. No. All right. Why can't I jump? Probably because of this. So jump is possible means it's greater than 0. So, yeah. You're gonna go away. That is the condition. You will be moving away from the surface. What? That's... Yeah. Jump, jump. Yeah, we jump. Ooh. Invalid argument number 2 to dot. Vector 3 expected got nil. Line 713. It's reaching that logic only at the time that it needs to. It's very specific edge case. This hopefully will also fix the insanity that is the buggity bug, where you like lose crazy speed while you're jumping up a slope. That's an annoying one. Oh my god! Ah, I lost all my speed. Dude. Oh, the polish. The polish is coming on. Did it do something? I don't know. Maybe it did. Am I not losing speed like a maniac anymore? Ah! I did not mean to hit that. Fix 2 bugs in 1. How about that? No more crazy speed loss speeding up a slope. Okay, let's do practice mode. And then I will go like this. How about that? Ah. Beautiful. Actually, amazing. Okay, so now we go to cuboidal and see if the bug is fixed there as well. Quaternions. Hi. Oh, I hit it! I did not see that coming. Alright. Alright, 1 jump. 1 jump. 1 jump. I'm so good at programming. I'm so good! I'm so good at it. Dude. Oh my god. And this like fixes edge cases that don't even exist yet on any map. Like, okay, like what if you go into a space that's exactly 5 studs tall? Like you go in there and then you try to jump. Well, it's just gonna infinitely jump you. So technically you shouldn't be allowed to jump, right? Well, this makes it so that it's not possible to jump. It checks if it's possible to jump. It's kind of a big deal. Dude, I fixed it. I fixed it. So good. Ah, man. Oh. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. I just heard it. Wait, was that walking? Wait. I don't know. It's probably fine. It's probably fine. Instead of vibrating, it just doesn't jump. I mean, it wouldn't vibrate. It would just infinitely try to jump for 0 seconds and then advance to 0 seconds and try to jump again. Yeah, so it's not really a vibration if it's at a singular point in time. So in order to jump on something, you either must be hitting it for the first time, as in you just went through a teleporter and you landed on a spawn. Or if you're hitting it for the second time, you must be moving towards it. And in all cases, it must be possible to jump. I guess I don't need to. I shouldn't really need to check if jumps are possible on every. Well, I guess it's on collision, so it's not that bad. It's not every frame. It's only on collision. and only when you're standing or on a ladder. It's not that bad. So it's only once every jump that it checks if it's possible to jump. But it's twice per jump that it generates all of the moving parts, velocity values and stuff. So working on moving parts instances and caching, that's things for death run. Moving parts caching, definitely a death run thing, I think. Like, moving parts can be slow at first. Awesome. That's the last show-stopping bug I can think of. Everything else is just like nice to haves. Wow. True. Huh? Huh? Oh. Okay, we're done here. There we go. This is excellent. Very precise jump edge cases. I tried R fast and sometimes it'll reset me but won't close the chat. Is there errors? Check for errors. I don't have that problem. Oh, I'm flying. Okay. I was like wondering if it was paused. Typing right after you press enter. I mean, it sounds to me like a Roblox bug that I don't have. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, I almost made that. That was pretty fast. I can't. It doesn't happen on main. You know what else doesn't happen on main? I don't know. When you type a command or something and then you click off and then you go back to the chat, it'll delete the slash on main. That's so funny. Yes. Oh, I could totally make that. Just have to plan ahead a little bit. Oh, that was not planning ahead. Oof. Okay, well, fantastic, really. I fixed the slope speed leech bug, and I fixed the double jump bug. How about that? My dad's setting my clocks. My power went out yesterday for a couple seconds. Let's try this on the okay, so there's two, which I think it was Easy V2. Someone complained that the jump, I can't remember what map it was, but I remember I tried to make it so you're only allowed to jump if you're going towards a part, and someone complained that it changes the route on a specific map because after you go through a teleporter, it doesn't jump immediately. So this fix here takes that into account. It will let you jump on something if you teleport directly on top of it, and are moving away from it, but you can still gain some jump speed. That's an interesting consideration, actually. Because, like, okay, imagine you're like surfing up onto a part, and then you hit a teleporter with a lot of upward speed, and on the exit of the teleporter, you're on a spawn, moving up faster than you can jump. It won't jump you unless you're moving slower than a jump. This is amazing code. That, like, I didn't even think about that edge case, and this code handles that edge case perfectly. All right, let's go to dumb blocks. Dumb studs. Dumb blocks. I think it's 3. The one with the slope. No. 4? Is it number 4? Yeah, it's number 4. Alright. And then I'm going to play Task Fast. Oh, it auto... Oh my god, this is so good. I love this. This polish is coming on so well. Alright. Don't steal my speed. Let's do that again. Okay, it's still like zoinking some speed there, unfortunately. Alright, what if I just go like really fast? It took about 20 speed. That might be about right for that potential difference. So I lost speed when I hit it, and then I lost some speed going up the slope. Yeah, so most of the speed I'm losing is from hitting the thing at the top. Bruh. So that tiny lip, you can see it. FOV1. That tiny lip, the new physics will find that lip every single time. Isn't it amazing? so I missed it. What do you think? It seems better. It seems better. I think it's better. It doesn't activate. Does it? What's okay? What's the logic for walking? Oh. Huh. If you're allowed to jump. Okay, so it's walking up the slope again, I think. Right? Stop stealing my speed! I don't know. What if I do this? If the jump is possible, then jump. But if it's not possible to jump, don't jump. But you still test if the jump is, if you're trying to jump first. I have no idea if this makes sense. Do I have an invisible space here? I do. A little. Alright, you're allowed to strafe if you're allowed to jump and you're trying to jump, even if it's impossible to jump. Yeah, that's very interesting, yeah. So, if you imagine the 5-stud container again, if you are in a 5-stud container and it's impossible to jump, but you're trying to jump and you're allowed to jump, then you'll be able to just like strafe around in it, holding space, even though it's not activating an infinite number of jump events. I think this makes sense. We'll see. I keep trying to fix this bug, and it keeps sneaking by. Do it again. Do it again. I dare you. Steal my speed. I dare you. Okay. How about that? What do you think? That looked a bit different and better. That was a slip and slide. There was no jump sounds. That is exactly what I wanted when I was trying to fix this, like, I don't know, freaking like 6 months ago, 8 months ago. Are you being robbed? Who's the person in the house? Oh my god! Who's in my house? It's my dad.
Can they see me?
Well, they can hear you. My microphone's very good. The Unreal Doge says, "Hi, Quat Father."
Hi, back.
Oh, Faja. That is bug fixed, right? That's bug fixed, right? Oh. Amazing. I am the best coder. There's never been a coder better than me. Oh yeah. I can check that off my list. Holy, okay. Let's go to the bug bounty list. And multiple jump bug, check. And I can add to the note, also fixed slope speed leech. Thumbs up. I'm giving myself a thumbs up. Alright, so the client server running bots that don't exist anymore. That is, unfortunate. It's not, I guess it's just a bounty list. What is happening to my mouse? Game mechanics is extrapolating every frame. Join bug? Owned by desync. Lol. Very pauge. Can you snap strafe? It's not that important. Can I make that? No. Alright, I'm about to smash WR here. Absolutely demolish. Oh. Oh, that's not gonna work. Not gonna demolish the WR like that. Holy. Ugh, yeah, don't make that. Not like that. Come on! I totally hit that. No more Spinky Steed Leech. We. Le shortcut. Hey, wow, we didn't actually do the real shortcut. Alright, I'm gonna do the real shortcut. Like a real man. He said confidently. Yeah, that's the last bug I can think of that. Wait, can I just make that? That's the last bug I can think of that is preventing me from publishing, because like you don't like double jump in bots, very bad. Yes. All right, here we go. You thought you were fast? What? Can't I make that? Oh, I need more frames, that's why. I'm gonna watch that first. Zzz. 7.3, there you go. Now you're thinking with portals. Higher FPS. Oh, okay, that's... I don't need to... I keep pressing R when I change style because I'm so used to having to restart to make it work. Do I? Okay. But I added a feature where it just does it now. Unless you're in practice mode, then it doesn't restart the style. That's hard. So if you're not in practice, it'll go like, oh, I want to switch to auto. It'll restart you. But if you are in practice, oh, I want to practice playing the game. I'm practicing. Please don't hurt me. And I'm over here. And then I go like, scroll. You can just like switch styles as you play the map in practice mode. Right. So slow. Oh, so slow. You're so slow. No strafing at the end? Can we have a pure blank style? I think I know what you mean. Pure time travel. It will be constructible with custom styles. Pass is not going to be a official style. I'm gonna have it as a custom style modifier, and you can enable time travel only. I'll have style presets. So like you'll go to the custom style menu and you can choose like segmented. And then there's segmented leaderboards, but you only see the segmented leaderboards when you're using the custom style. So you have to go to the style to see the leaderboards and to load the bot. Well, that's the last bug I can think of. Oh right, there's the moving platforms bother me. I was gonna work on that today as well. Nice, thanks Roblox. Source style is reduced gain, reduced gravity, and reduced or limited air acceleration. So you have to. You think you're good at the game? Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Good, good, good. Terrible. So source, your normal gain value is 2.7. Source style is 1.8. Your normal gravity is negative 100. Source style is 80. Your normal air accel is infinity. You can accelerate unbounded acceleration. In source style, it's limited to 1,000. So watch this. Watch this. I go like this. When I hold a key, it stops slowly, right? So it slows down slowly. It's not like it doesn't just yoink your speed. Like, look, if I go like that in auto hop, boom, immediate speed change. It just instantly changes the speed. Show keys, source. Yeah, you can see the speed gauge on the HUD as it slows the speed down over time. So it's accelerating 1,000 units per second squared. 1,000 units per second squared. So your velocity changes by 1,000 units per second. It's acceleration. So basically, if you try to go like this, you don't. So if I do that in auto, I go like this. It is, yeah. So that's how the strafing works in source. Is you have limited air accel. So I reinvented the physics, the strafing, by imagining what the math would be like. And what I invented happened to be a reduced version of source physics. So it's exactly the same. If you take the source code and set the air accel to infinity, then it's the same as my code, except more complicated and worse. So I don't make the rules. My code is just better, you know? Okay, I was also gonna look at moving platforms today. I feel like accomplished for fixing that bug. That was a good bug fix. I'm just gonna ignore that message. Big style for big boys. What happened? Did you die? Big. That's a big boy. Completely froze, and the rinsing temps are racking up. Sounds like you encountered a bug. Do you have any errors? Let's see what the server console says. Yeah, it's probably client side because it's not spamming anything in the server. 8 milliseconds. Units per second is nan. Nice. Do you have any console errors? Press F9. Do you see any errors in your console? Oh, stopped strafing for a second. Wait, still beat it. No errors. That sounds like a problem that I don't know anything about. It's probably some sort of strange synchronization issue where it gets into a wonky state and then it can't recover itself. I'm gonna put my banana people in the garbage. I need mayonnaise. Spectating somebody where when I leave spectate? Yeah, because it's not updating your camera position. Yeah, that should be an error. It might be a silenced error actually. Where it just retrieves no information. Why would it print nothing? I don't know, but like these types of problems you can just rejoin. Can you make that? I don't know. Ready to hit this slow motion? All the double? Yeah. Crazy route. don't hear 5 trillion jump sounds going up a slope. There still is a condition where you will. If you hit the like a very precise speed, you can still die. You can control the physics. What you can do. Well, actually, can you? No, I guess you can't, because you don't make little parabolic arcs. Huh. So it'd be maximum 1 jump per tick then, and you go like. I actually jump 1 jump every 2 ticks even. I don't know. I can't think of if it's every other tick or if it's every tick. Alright, who's doing something interesting? Look at these stupid people playing low gravity. Who plays low gravity? What do you guys think? Do you like the game better than main? Would you rather play this? Is there anything that you think is unplayable? Fixed gauge, true. Main is dead. Everyone's waiting for the update. Right? Been waiting for a year. Just publish it already. Who needs it to be done? It is done. I need it to save your times. This was the last bug that I wanted fixed before update right now. You'd rather just like play a game where you can't save your times? Why does it say invalid? Its name says, sure would be a great weekend to work on the game, huh? He's in sweltering heat. Okay, yeah, I wanted to make an instancing system for the moving platforms so that the server physics doesn't influence where the default positions. Oh my god! Did you beat my task? fast time. Bridge. Okay, what was that? Was that just a bot saving? I don't have a mechanism for asynchronous bot saving yet. It'll just like spasm like this. What the? What the? Why is there? Oh, 356. Wait, what? It's always saving the bot, right? So yeah, it was the 356 time. Okay. So server died because of the time. Did it kill your runs when the server froze? It's supposed to be able to not kill your runs. Obliterate every being. Jury. Okay. I was hoping I would work on the moving platforms a bit today, so that I can like start updating all the maps with moving platforms. Sphere, lol. I wanted to make it so that when you fly, you can like go to the edge of the zone easier, but it'd be too much work. Purple. You have to tilt down at the end. You have to go like. You have to slightly. Just the ever slightest bit. Jeez. When is time wipe? Update. Whenever we get the database ready and implemented. Which is up to its name. My game lagging. It is not nearly as big of a job as the entire B-Hop game, but it's another big job. What was the recent big... Right, bots. That was my recent big job. I think... It's probably bigger than that, but like it's two. We have 2 people working on it, so. And its name is a really hard worker, and he knows his stuff. I don't know if you know, excuse me, Quaternians, I don't know if you know this, but, the game still has a missing feature. I'd like to request. I do know. I haven't made it on purpose, because it'd be, it's not very important, that's why. Buy extra units. New shop category. WR. WRs cost 10,000 Robux. Subtract off your time. 1 millisecond equals 1 Robux. Yes, I would assume so. Hey, Peter. Hey, Peter. Fan of Roblox. When you beat your time by like milliseconds, does it feel right? Did you like feel like it's almost the exact same time but you were slightly faster? Or do you feel like there's some sort of random variation and the times are just kind of random and you just have to try again and again until you hit it? I'm hoping there's not some sort of random variation bug like there was before. I've tried very hard to avoid that, but Rocket. The timer is provably precise. Provably precise. Yeah, it's reliable when I'm playing the fly mode. I can reliably get the exact same time to the millisecond, which is a good feeling. Precise time should only matter when you tie someone. I would like to report a bug. Lie. Oh, do you have the loop desync? My screen, I think it has loop desync. Why are people getting it like while playing? It used to only happen when you join. If you guys can figure out when it happens, it'll be easier to fix. You like Harry Potter. Nah, this dude thinks. Favorite B-Hop creator. Are there any other B-Hop creators? Speed. Today's shirt. Check it out. Ugh. Can you see that? It's a bird. Quad, do a backflip. Do this in real life. Man, I want to do the moving platforms, but I expended my single item that I can do today. At least it was an important one. And now the game is ready to publish. Oh, what do I work on? I got options. Old show keys is not in the game. Yeah, it's on a different branch. It's on the main game branch. I only added it to the main game branch because I wasn't gonna like develop it twice. So I'll merge it together with the main game branch, and that'll be a huge project. Fix the gauge. Is save and load? No, time travel is not invented yet. So this is running on frames, so that does make sense for the energy gauge because it's just a energy calculation, and like and it's really very precise, very precise calculation. Look at all the energy he's gaining. Oh my god, my lag is insane. It's acceptable, I guess. Smoothing simulation, hit gauge per frame. Where's the tick runner output event? Does it make sense? Why did it get all jumbly? It used to be smooth. It might be a different bug. Is the gauge supposed to be that massive? I mean, always been that size. You can change the size with GUI scale. Is that better? Custom GUIs. What is that supposed to be? I already have custom GUIs. Can we go to brick? This dude wants to go to brick. That's not brick. Man, I want the... Wait, did he... Why is he paused? Back in my day, brick was shorter. I love rocket style. Brick, 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 brick. B-hop. We love brick. B-hop. Brick, 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 brick. Quaternions, I thought you were better at B-hop than this. Ow. Yeah! Damn. Bruh. Turning off the stream? No! No! Does rocket style log WRs? Yeah. Here it is. Wow! Look at him go! I'm better though. How can I? Ooh, that was 6-4. I think it'll be faster. I don't know though. Come on. One millisecond. Quaternion. Explain what a quaternion is. It's a four-dimensional number that can be used to represent orientations in three-dimensional space. When the magnitude is 1, it represents an orientation. 3 space. Tied. Man, that guy beat me with the same time. How did I get 2 seconds? Yeah. I did good work today. So far.
You did good work.
Did you hear what bug I fixed? It's the double jump bug. It was affecting some maps with boosters. When you would land on a booster, it was supposed to boost you up to 1 height, but it would jump twice and boost you way higher, which is very bad for physics verified times where you can't cheat in the game and then the game cheats itself. So I don't know of any other physics bugs that are exploitable to cheat. And that's the last thing that I can think of that I would want to fix before I would publish that's related to the Roblox server code rather than the database. I have a wall.
We need a plumber. So we need. Okay. See you later.
My dad is amazing. He came over to my house. He put walls into my bathroom. The bathroom is being renovated. He vacuumed my floors. He took out my garbage. He doesn't need to do that. He's just amazing. Oh, is there 16 people here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How's the server doing? It looks like it's struggling a little bit. It's working. Server says. Cool. It's running. It's running all physics of all the clients 100 ticks per second in real time on the server on a single thread. What does Roblox run on? What are the Roblox servers? They're not ARM, are they? How do I get a bot? Please give me bot. Please bot me. Please bot. Please. So, can you update the game and reset times now? I could, but you wouldn't be able to get any times. There's no database. Did anyone beat? Oh, look at that. Let's see it. Slight right, slight left. Yeah. Wait. You only bend right? I think the best route is going to be a slight snake. So like, am I in practice mode? No. So I think it's going to be like, where you can like, just kind of barely not make it, and you go like this, and then you curve around this corner, and then go straight towards the finish. Accelerate straight towards the finish. How many fingers do you have? How many fingers do you have? What was that? Get VM signs to get database. We were gonna do it this weekend, like today and yesterday. It's too hot at his house. It's like 35 degrees Celsius, and so he has to turn off his servers, otherwise it'll be even hotter. Don't swerve, it's slower. Lie. I know physics. You're gonna want a slight curve. It's very subtle. It's definitely faster to reduce the distance, but very subtle. Yeah, you can take off another millisecond. Dude, I love the physics. Accurate clock. Lie. Look at the bot. Bro, you tilt. Look at it. Oh, you went straight. Yeah, well, that's not what we are yet, is it? It's a trade-off. Yes, and the trade-off is to slightly swerve. Okay. I don't mean slightly, I mean barely at all. But it would be there, and I think it would maybe shave off a millisecond. Like it's Snell's law. Okay, this is a racing curve now. By the way, rocket mode, you have to take into account racing curves in 3 dimensions. Rocket is way more in depth than you could ever imagine. It's just like racing, where you have a limited amount of acceleration, like Formula One, whatever. You have a limited amount of acceleration that you can apply in any direction you want, but it's in 3D as well. So the best possible strategy is to follow racing curves. Rocket is actually crazy. Oh my god, I can't wait until we have custom styles. It's gonna be so much fun. People are gonna be like crafting styles with like, I'm gonna play Rocket time travel with 0.5 time scale. Watch this. Sorry. Okay, where's the style? Is it? Did I make style? Okay, so time scale, allow time scale. It's separate. So you can have a specified time scale for your custom style where you always are running at like, I don't know, like 2 times speed, whatever. And you're not allowed to change the time scale, and it will server validate the style in that time scale. Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. I think I'm not doing that actually. Simulation director. It's the validation function, right? Yeah. Idiot! Oh, stupid! Okay. Does not equal style info dot timescale. Why didn't I change? I was here. Why didn't I change it? What are you on? ADHD. Alright, I'm putting style info here. Sick. There we go. Simulation at timer at scale. Okay. Headmesh.scale. Qbox. Timescale is 0. Oh my god. Dude. You could have that timescale and like, okay, probably not the best, have like a crazy high tick rate, like a trillion ticks per second. Probably not the best, but like, and then all the bots are like, that's 1 millisecond time. Your gain value is like 7 billion. It's like you can do dumb things with this physics system. It's dumb. It's wait. The game is still running? People keep how many people are in the game? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 people are in the game and this physics is not dropping? Wow. I expected it to die at like 12 people. Glitcher Master 2 appears to be spamming remote events. Who is that? Security timeout. Hey. How's your guys' lag, by the way? With all these players? April Fool's update when? playable, kind of laggy because potato PC. Can you turn off the players and it works? I don't have like the optimizations like that in yet. Can you explain source style? Sorry, it's lower gain, lower gravity, lower RXL. So normal MV gain value is 2.7. In source style, it's 1.8, so it's like a lot less. The normal gravity is negative 100. In source style, it's negative 80, so it's reduced. Lower airtime? No, the airtime is exactly the same. It's the jump power is calculated from jump time, so it's the exact same jump time. See, that was slowly I gained speed. And then the RXL, you can't like. Okay, I'm going really slowly, but like if I go fast, didn't you see my explanation? Like, watch my speed. Did you see how it goes like instead of like if I go to auto hop and then do the same thing, it's gone. So that's the difference. It has limited RXL and lower gain and lower gravity. I tried to tune it for surf. I might use a preset like that for Death Run so that it's not like actually crazy overpowered. Set spawn should exist. What do you mean set spawn should exist? Spawn 2. Oh, did I take that out? I think I have it anti-cheated. Yeah, no, I think I had that at one point. The source style on surf feels so good because you can't strafe that well. That's the idea. I'm glad that you think that. I'm lagging. Uh-oh. Excuse me, ping? Yeah, there's no protection against bad happenings yet. It just like tries to run everything all the time. It doesn't see like, maybe I shouldn't run this. Maybe it's too much. It just runs it. It's just like, okay, this guy's not doing so hot. You got dumped from the game. That's funny. Huh. Resync attempts forever going up. Yeah, you just have to rejoin if you get that. I was lagging, wasn't I? Yes. I am also lagging. What happens? Okay. What I want is so that what I want is for you to be able to join a game and then spectate someone that's in the middle of a run and it doesn't die. Like, yeah, see this person's in the middle of a run and then it only makes the HUD when they restart. But like that's just a visual bug, and the server knows what's going on. It's just a visual bug. What do you think of my Roblox username? I don't care in the slightest. I'm not really an opinionated person. I can't believe it's running all this physics on the server. I'm kind of shocked that the physics verification doesn't just make the server just lag more and more and more. Why does hit looks uglier? What do you mean uglier? It's the hitbox. That's not fur. I'll probably remove fur and we'll just have, or fur bonus, and we'll just have the actual map fur and you can just play the bonus. I love B-Hop. Why did I go that way? That was dumb. Love the new graphics. It makes my PC so sluggish. I love slow graphics. Wait, why did I don't know. Are you guys doing fine on lag? I built it to be able to calculate the minimum amount of work it needs to do, so that it doesn't have to like scan for work to do on every frame. It just knows what it needs to do, so it doesn't like do extra work. That's the idea. Wow. I'm lagging. Wow. My FPS is fine. Good to hear. I'm glad. Mine is not. I need to buy a better Why did I? Sky. Y'all ready to play Sky and B-Hop Gravity? No one even beat the map. Oh, people did beat. Oh, in Source? You beat the map in Source? Wait, 10 seconds? Fly. Death. I love surfing with B-Hop Gravity. It's like surf, but way faster. Oof. Surfing with Task Fast. It's doable, man. How many new game modes do you have? Styles. Oh, these aren't all going to be in the update. In fact, none of them are going to be in the update. I'm probably only fast mode. I'll add later. Pinpoint long pocket. I want that to be like a pro gamer style, where if you can get faster than auto hop times in surf if you're like really good at the game, and you can only play it on accuracy maps on B-Hop if you're really good at the game. So it's like the expert style. And then low gravity is just like really fun. I might add that as an official style. And all the other ones will only be available with custom styles. I'm not sure what you mean by hit looks worse. Like, it's literally just the exact same with the new hitbox. And it's more precise by a lot. It's literally cheating. and you're complaining. Someone add Utopia. I like how interest is going up as the game becomes more ready to publish. I'm so excited for the like week or so that we're gonna have all these cool extra styles with bots and records with a database all on the dev game testing ready to test. It's gonna be really fun. We're gonna have everything running for like a week before I publish, but not yet because there's no database yet. Oh wait, did they delete the thing? Oh. What's the... I can't fly. Practice. Oh, look at that. Did there used to be a... Oh, that still happens. Did there used to be... a part at the bottom of that? Did someone map fix that? Because, that is quality of life, if you ask me. Oh, wait, is the thingamabobbed too? Wow, you literally can't. Can you like just not hit it whatsoever? Oh, you can. Ooh, can't glide falls. Sick. This is sick. What? Paint when? I don't want paint. I think if you need to paint, it's a problem with the map, and the map needs to be fixed. I'm gonna publish the update to Hop and Surf map test. New physics. All right. Well, now you can use the jump patch in those places. Twitch Prime investor. Investment successful. Paint long spins so I know my direction coming out. Can't be fixed by updating the map. I mean, I could have a compass. Long spins. Wouldn't you know your direction based on the last block that's in the way? Hard to look at when doing a run. Imagine crouching. Yeah, it'd be nice to have crouching for Death Run, and then I could add it as a style modifier. I pressed F9 at 50,000 units, and my game died. Yeah, I'm using the find parts in region 3 function. I should really switch to the new versions of those where you can use a rotated region, but I'm lazy, so nothing can be done now. Yeah, the physics, it is literally impossible to go through parts. You cannot go through walls. Even if you're going at a trillion speed, you will not go through the wall. It will search the entire path volume that your hitbox travels through, find every single part along the way, and detect if you are going to collide with it. The old physics, what it does is it teleports you to the end of the tick and then checks to see if you're touching anything now. It's a completely different physics design. The old physics, it'll just teleport you forwards by a fixed amount. And if you happen to pass through a wall, the physics has no idea. It only knows something if you happen to teleport into the wall. So that's why it sometimes stops you from going through a wall when you're going really fast, but it usually doesn't. Is because usually you don't hit the wall if you're going super fast. Whereas the new physics, it finds all the parts in the path volume and checks every single part for a collision, which sounds really slow, but usually you're not traveling through parts or going extremely fast through a ton of parts. So usually it checks 0 parts because you're just jumping through the air. So that's why it can run. Bruh. So many people. And like this is running on the server for all the players at the same time on one single core. It's really fast. My computer's just laggy. Let me see. Lag. I'm going to rejoin. See what my frame rate looks like. Ah! Okay. How about that? The bots don't look like they're working properly. How about that? I'm playing in pinpoint long pocket mode. There's so many players. 22. I'm gonna shorten this database message to like the middle of the screen. Bro, give me it. The data beat is down. Size scale Y, half your screen. Or maybe 2/3, I don't know, whatever. And then, db down dot, pause scale X. 1/6, I believe. I think that'll do it. I want to see how many players are in the game. I'm tired of not being able to see the player list. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, there we go. Finally. Cool. You know what I'm saying? So it looks like the bots aren't loading properly when you join the game, which sucks. Oh, that loaded properly. HUD isn't working. Why wouldn't... I can't figure it out. I don't know. I don't know why it wouldn't work, but it's just a visual bug. All the data is there, so I can fix it later. As long as you can run the map without any like crazy physics exploits, it saves your bot with all the data, no errors. Then that's it. That's all I need to do, and I can publish the update. And I think I just got to that point by fixing the double jump bug. Physics exploit thing. So now I need the database. Bring on the database. We need to wait for climate change to stop. Get cooler at Mr. It's-a-Name's house. Man, this is a game. I have made a game that is fun. This game is fun, and it's done. It took a year. But I built my dream. We should all do a race. What if we all race to the finish? Huh? Bro, why is it hot? It's gray outside. Like, I put on shorts because I knew it was gonna be hot, even though it's freaking, like, raining. Okay, it's not raining, but, like, why? Everybody. Wow, quite expect the task bot. So good, task bot. What? Did 3 feet hit a nasty strafe? What? What is this? This is just like normal. Someone needs to like rage strafe that, you know? I love Rocket. I love playing B-Hop. It's really fun. What is that? Oh, you're right. Little Too. Oh. I gotta fix. I gotta like work on the little moving platform. What was I looking for things to do? That's the stream panel, right? Update is a done deal. When are we getting more quad emojis? Whenever I add them, just like they need to come from somewhere, so you gotta like make them and be like, add this. How do you make your name plus plus plus? This user doesn't know about control. Fix showstopper bug list. You see that on my to-do list? Fix showstopper bug list? I did that. There's no more show-stopping bugs. Can you import maps into dev? Only main game maps. We can go to the test game, the like map test in physics place. I published the code to there, so I think we need a database. Yes, that's what I was going to do this weekend, but it was too hot at its name's house. Yeah. Oh God. The ping going up is so funny. actually caught up. Why don't map test bots work? Work. What do you mean work? They work perfectly, except they don't save because there's no database. They give an error when you do take. Oh, the Discord bots. I don't know. I didn't make it. Go ask 5man. Five Man made the new map test bot. It's a completely different one. Its name is sweltering in his apartment. What to do now? Man, it'd be nice to fix more than one thing per day. Fixed. Wait, did I make some changes? Yes, okay. Okay. Of a lifetime. I don't need this script. Sec. Five man. 5man does the work of 5men. Okay, let's take a look at the world script. World. Okay, so. Right, I was thinking that I would create world beforehand, and then I would be able to pass. Okay, so process map info. Maybe I make that, Yeah, well, that's the initialization process. So, does it need a new one every time? I can't remember. Okay, this is actually going to be a lot of work. Maybe I can't do it today. I would rather have it done before I publish the game, but there's not a whole lot of maps with moving parts. Same with, like, it'd be nice if... Oh my god, all the jumps. No, finish. Oh. What you doing in that ditch? What? The texture's loading in. Is the Roblox bug where the characters go like stuff? Is it fixed yet, or does it still do that? No, it still does that. That's so stupid. Wow. What if I hide players? Is it faster? Looks like it is. Ah! It shows me! Ah! Bruh. It's not a game-ending bug, okay? I rewrote spectate, okay? It's all client side now. See, what's new about spectate is that if you spectate, it spectates the most recent bot, which I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but that I've changed it to work like that. And then when you change spectators, it immediately changes. It doesn't like ask the server, please change who I'm spectating, server, and then the server goes, okay, I'll change the values on your client. It doesn't like go back and forth. It's just all on the client. It just immediately changes who you're spectating. No delay. The bots looking scrungly while you scrub the timeline is not great, but like it works. Can you put a map like a surf, like actual surf, into the net? Just load it up. Oh, yeah. Dev is B-hop right now. Like it can't be surf. It doesn't choose surf gravity. I made it so that it chooses gravity by game, so you could have like a different map. You could have the same map on both games, but surf acts like surf and b-hop acts like b-hop. The game used to load the gravity based on the game ID, which like is the hitbox bigger on its side. The hitbox looks like this. It's a cylinder now. It's completely different. The old hitbox is a tiny sphere that sits at your feet. I mean, not tiny. Similar. But yeah, it's completely different. It's exactly the same, but completely different. So right now, if I joined and tried using the ID for Winterland, would I be able to play it, even with B-hop physics? Yeah. This is excellent. Whoever made this game did a great job. It's improved so much. I would play this. I hate the old game so much. It just sucks to play. It's just like all over the place, you know? Whereas this one is like just precision to the max. Precision to the point of detriment. Very nice. I'm just like soaking in completion again. Like I've been done for like this week basically. No. So this should probably create duplicates and then run the list as like a different behaving physics where like yeah, I need like special consideration for moving parts so that it doesn't miss and it can like skip. Yes. Okay, so bounding box tests. It'd be nice to not have to do that for all the parts. It'd be nice. I guess it still has to. What it has to do is check to see that the bounding box of your movement does not intersect with the bounding box of the moving part, and then it can skip it. Otherwise, it has to check against the part. Interesting. Okay. Let's look at this. Let's look at this. It's in the physics. Find parts. It's in the physics. Find parts. Find parts in. Calculate hitbox region. Okay, so this is. I can group this. How do I do this? Find parts in. Yeah. So I can just use that's okay. I can use this. Find parts. Yeah, no, I need to kind of make this to a special doodad instead of this. With special considerations for moving parts. There's so many little optimizations that can be done. Watch me now. Oh. Wow, there's so many considerations to make and little optimizations. I hate beefer. Let's switch to brick. Wow, okay, I'll probably like work on the moving parts a lot for Death Run, and the B-Hop and Surf games will benefit from that. Like you'll be able to make a B-Hop map where you have to call an elevator. Like that sucks, but like you have the creative freedom to do that. Okay, what's that map? Like map mechanics where you have to go to like a place, press a button, and then it opens a door. That will become possible once I polish or like work on the moving part system for Death Run. Half-Life remade in B-Hop. Once someone was already making that. Did you know that? He made like the train and stuff, and it was like actually worked. No, I didn't know that. Like it's actually on the way. Hold on. Let's see if I can find it. It would be fun to look at. Should I watch it here? I'll do it in another place. Are any of my things? No, of course not. Bruh. Roblox, imagine. What? What? Where's the guy? What? Oh, that is him. Okay. Inventory. Model. Where's that half? Oh, there it is. Is that it? Let's see it. All right, we're gonna go to death run map test. I guess it doesn't matter which one we go to. $16,000 visits to the death run map test. All right, let's try it. Very power. Ready for this? This is like actually Half-Life. Something doesn't look right. It's the tram. Wait. Yeah. I think that the tram thing is supposed to arrive. So it's doing this because there's not multiple instances of moving parts. Jump at the start. Nice. Thank you. Ooh. Ah! Oh, it's not doing so hot. Ah. Yeah, you see, so moving platforms needs to be worked on. Oof. My game. Oof. Oof. Yeah. Not super sure what's going on right here. And now I'm here. But you can see it's trying to do something. Yeah, so I need multiple instances of physics. I need to inspect these like poor cases with the physics and stuff. Why does it just let me jump out, man? Come on. Rude. So rude. The video to-do list. Finish coding JHead. I should probably do that next week. I'll make all the like weird little GUIs you guys want. Yeah, so the infinite loops are not the greatest, you know. You know, it's not the greatest. Yeah. Definitely needs some work from me. It's actually stomping a CPU core. I've only been live for 3 hours. I finished. The game is ready to publish. It needs a date. It only needs a database. It was so beautiful. Yeah. So the reason that it's broken now is because of the server-side verification system. It's running multiple versions of the moving parts on the same parts. So what it needs to do is make a copy of the parts so it's separate, and I don't have that design right now. I wanted to do it today, but it's not gonna happen today. I just feel done, and I am done. I did the last necessary bug fix today, where I fixed the double jump exploit, where you could jump twice on a booster and get shot up way higher than you should be able to, like on cuboidal. That doesn't happen anymore. I wrote the code to fix that. So you can play the game with verified physics. You can beat the map. You can get a bot. It generates the file. All I need is to send that file to the database, save your time, and have times load and work properly. And the game is ready to publish. So much work complete. I would really have liked to work on the moving platforms. I'm so pedantic about the moving platforms. Did my game just die? It did. It's died. It's died. It's died. That's probably not good. Die. Is died. Wait, it's still spamming it? Oh, no. Come on now. It's all good. You killed it. I did. Yeah. So basically, what would happen? I would make it so that this makes a copy of all the parts that move, the moving platforms. And then I would make it so that the physics, when it does find parts, it takes special consideration of the moving parts by checking bounding boxes to see if they intersect. Half-Life 2 recreation is pretty cool. It's amazing. Professional Noobs has done a great job on the Death Run map, and the issue that he was running into was the moving parts system lags too much. It's not optimized like almost at all. So it just runs all the code every single time for every single moving part on every single frame. So it's just doing way too much. And like the equations aren't optimized. What it needs to calculate isn't optimized. The equation evaluation isn't optimized. It doesn't simplify the equations. It's just, there's no optimization. It's just a like prototype system for dynamic moving platforms with an analytic equation and state management. Like, have you seen this on the dev game, the test map? Oh no, it's not 100 million FPS. Okay. Oh my god, these guys are still playing the game! Change the climates. Why don't you fix more than one thing per day? Because I have success fixing more than 0 things per day, whereas I used to fix 0 things per day. So my strategy, I can only fix about 1 thing a day before I go, oh, I did the work, oh, I'm done. But I do more than nothing, which is a win over how I used to work. All right, watch this. Watch this. See the moving platform? It's not moving, but like the moving platform's world state is initialized and it's paused at time equals 0. So when I leave the start zone, there it goes. Time is running, and I can like watch it go. Wow, it's amazing. And then I can go finish the map. And then now I can spectate this bot, and look, it's looking at the platform, even though that's different. So what I can do is I can run this. I can seek around on this thing, and the moving platform system will recreate the exact state at that moment based on events on a timeline. So it'll rebuild the state using the events that occurred and arrive at that moment in time precisely at the expected state. It's really complicated, but it's made, and I did it. So imagine this for all moving platforms in B-Hop and Surf, where like you can like play the bot back in slow motion. So there's going to be no more platform RNG. Exactly. That's exactly what I was going for. When you leave the start zone, it always starts the platforms at the same time, and you can choose what time it starts at using the world timer offset. So you can search and find a time offset that where the platforms are perfectly in the right place at the perfect time when you reach them after starting the map, and they're always out of your way. There's no more RNG. And it looks perfect on bots. It's always synchronized to the time. It works with the server-side physics verification system. It's so complicated, but it's done. I made it. I invented it. But the issue I'm having now is it needs to have a separate instance for each thing. So you can see the bot is going in slow motion, but the platform is relative to me right now. If I spectate the bot, it's relative to the bot. Very proud of this system. Everything is like very tightly integrated. I had to make this whole thing at once, which is why it took a year. Everything is really integrated together. The networking, the bots, the physics, timelines, the moving platforms. It's all a big clump of stuff, but it's all modular and like separate code. Whereas on my old thing, it was all just one monolithic giant 5,000 line script. Now it's more like 10,000 lines of code, but spread out around like 40 different scripts instead of one. It's more complicated. Yeah. I'm amazing, basically. And I want to make it better. What I want to do maybe next week, do I focus on the moving platforms? I don't know. Because like any work I do on the moving platforms is good. Like I need this for Death Run. But like it's not necessary for the update. I do want to make all the maps use the moving platforms. And for that, it'd be good to have this instancing of the moving platforms. I'm probably going to work on that next week. And then after that, I'll work on all of the HUD things that you got. Or maybe, like, I'll mix and match. Maybe one day next week, I'll feel like making one of the HUDs, like the SSJ, JHUD, fix the gauge. But I think I'll aim for making the moving platforms instanced and have special consideration so that it never misses when it never misses a collision. I should have done more work today. I'm done. I'm like, I fixed the thing. I was trying to trick myself today by going like, I want to fix the moving platforms today. And then fixing the physics bug first, but I don't know how to make myself do more than one thing per day yet. I figured out how to make myself do more than 0 things per day, but oh dear. Well, pat on the back. The update is ready to publish. I wish I had a database. It would be nice if its name had worked on the database before now and it was ready as well. But he didn't, and he's trying to do work now. So at least there's that. And it shouldn't be like a terribly long time because it's not as huge of a project as the entire game. And its name is a very good programmer. Very fast, very good. It's all polish from here. From here on out, it's all polish for the game. Thank you for tuning in. I'm gonna stop the stream. I'm gonna go like do whatever Quaternions does when he's not streaming. Talking about myself in the third person. I might want to get that checked out. Anyways, I'm amazing. I made a game. I made my dream game. What does Quaternions do off stream? See you later. I'm gonna stream again on Thursday. My streaming schedule is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I might end up doing work over the week, depending on if its name gives me some tasks for database. Whether or not I'll stream that, who knows? It's done. Update is publishable quality. We just need a database. Goodbye, everyone. See you on Thursday.